So just helping a friend move into his new apartment with his family. This is their light switches over here, different in Ukraine. And this is a nice old apartment in, there's some garbagey furniture left in here. A little grungy, but it has potential. The place has potential. Got a little park outside for the kids. Hallelujah. So Dima has 5 kids. Wow. He's a pastor and he also makes furniture, works with his hands. This is their kitchen. And these go for about 100 to 200, maybe a little more dollars Canadian per month. 3 bedrooms. But they only make like bed. This is what their plugs look like. And there's light switches, sometimes look like that. They have one room for bathing, one for the toilet. Hallelujah. There's the patio. There's a school across the road. So in Ukraine, they make maybe 20 bucks a day Canadian. A regular worker would make at a store or something, or a construction worker. But you can live on 20 bucks a day. I mean, to rent an apartment for a couple $100 a month or so. It's a different world, but in some ways similar. You know, humans are humans. We all need Jesus and hope. We're looking to heaven.